with another lecture of correct use of English. I'm here, Faiz Mahmood. This is the sixth lecture of the series of correct use of English. Today we will see the use of that. That is used for persons, animals, and lifeless things, like the man that stood. That is used for the man. Stood there was a thief. The dog, animal. The dog that barks seldom bites. I live in a house thing that was built last year. So that is used for persons, animals, and lifeless things. That is also used after all that glitter is not gold. So that is used after all, any. You may take any book that you like. More. It is used after more. There is nothing more that can be done. Nothing. There is nothing that I can do for you. So you are seeing the usage of that after these words. The same. He is the same man that won the lottery. Only. He is the only person that can support you. The few. I have read the few books that I have. The little. I drank the little water that was in the glass. So that is used for persons, animals, and lifeless things. And it has also its usage with these words. And we use these words, we correlate that, we indicate, we demonstrate these things by using that. So these are the usages of that. Now we will see the use of as. If in a sentence you use as, it must be preceded by that before as. These words should come. Before we use as in the sentence, there must be one of these words, such, the same, or as before as. Like in a sentence, such has been used before we use as in a sentence. He is such a man as I hate. You will get from me as much cooperation as you need. My problems are the same as yours. The same, preceded by as. As is preceded by as. As is preceded by such. These are called correlative conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to join sentences or clauses. But is used as a nominative pronoun in the sense of why not and which not. The one usage is but is used to tell the cause of something, to stop something and telling him the reason. But here are two other usages, who not, which not. It means in these sentences which we have written here, but has been used in these two specific meanings, who not and which not. There is no rose but has a thorn. But here implying a meaning which has not a thorn. There was none but wept. But is implying the meaning of who did not weep. Here it has been used in the meaning of who. Now, another word, very tricky word, whose, is used for persons, animals, and lifeless objects. Like the examples we have written here, the bicycle whose color is red is mine, bicycle is a lifeless thing. The man whose pocket, man is a person, whose pocket is picked is a policeman. The dog, animal, whose tail is short is mine. So whose is used for animals, for things, and for person alike. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page with another lecture of correct English. We will be here again.